Hi everybody at C3 Pløyel Group. This is my C3 Pløyer in Denmark. I bought it in Germany. It's a 1.4 ODI, and as you can see the car hasn't any plates because I'm waiting for the Danish government to give me how much I'm going to pay in taxes. I'm making this video, quick video, because I want you guys to tell me if you know what the problem is. The clips which is under here is damaged, so the roof is open, but it's only in the front. When I want to open the roof, it goes fine. From, you can see from here it goes, and around here it makes a click because this one here is damaged. So I'm afraid to make more, but is there anybody clever who know what this could be as a problem and where I can fix it? As I told you guys, I live in Denmark and I would prefer a place not too far away for fixing this. I hope everybody's fine and your cars are driving, and I love to see your cars, your Durials. It's the best car in the world. I'm looking forward to driving mine. Yes, have a nice weekend everybody.